Ford Explorer, 6th generation, front bumper replacement. Follow these detailed steps to safely remove the front bumper from your Ford Explorer. Step 1. Take off the front wheels and tires. Step 2. Remove the screws, detach the clips, and carefully move the front fender molding aside. Using an interior trim remover, repeat these steps on both sides of the vehicle. Step 3. Unplug the electrical connector for the front active park assist sensor. Repeat this step on both sides. Step 4. Take out the push pins securing the fender liners on each side. Step 5. Remove the screws as shown in the picture. Step 6. Remove the front fender liner aside on both sides. Step 7. Disconnect the electrical connector from the front bumper cover harness. Step 8. 1. Disconnect the front bumper cover harness electrical connector. 2. Disconnect the front camera harness electrical connector. 3. Disconnect the washer hose. Step 9. Unscrew the bolts securing the front bumper cover to the fenders and carefully release the retaining tabs on each side. Step 10. With assistance, remove the bolts, disengage the tabs, unclip the fasteners, and take off the front bumper cover. To remove front bumper beam, unscrew 8 bolts as shown in the picture. Step 11. To reinstall front bumper, follow the removal steps in reverse order. For vehicles equipped with 360-degree cameras, ensure these cameras are properly aligned. When replacing the front bumper cover, verify alignment of the front parking aid and active park assist sensors. If any sensor does not pass the alignment check, perform a diagnostic procedure to identify the issue. Thanks for watching. Sponsor the channel and be part of our next big journey.